Howdy folks, this is a P53 that I repaired a little while ago. Still have to do the cabinet. It's got a fair number of dents and dings in it. The cabinet had been dropped, or the radio had been dropped, I would say, from a height, because the shaft of the wave chain switch was badly bent. And one of the knobs was missing, which thanks to Matthew I got replaced, and the other knob is kind of badly cracked, and you can also see where the knobs are rubbing up so hard against the cabinet here that they took all the varnish off, so that has to get sorted out. But the main thing, the reason I'm revisiting this little repair at the moment, is the tone switch with the on-off select switch here. When it fell, the ball bearings which detent the switch clearly fell out, and so there's no detent in any of the tone settings, so it's a real pain to get the tone where you want it and for it to stay there. So I had another chassis of a PYE PJ501 which was beyond repair, and so I just went salvaging some pieces from it, and I got the mains transformer out of it and the output transformer, so they're on their way to a good home where they'll see life in another set. I saved the IF cans, and I found these two little guys in the selector switch in the 501 chassis. So I'm going to see if I can get those and somehow get them in here. That's the task. It was a bit of a two-handed job, so I couldn't really do it on camera. But here you can see the little ball behind the spring steel plate. So I basically held it out with a screwdriver and with a needle nose, with a tweezers. I dropped the ball into the slot, and there's another one at 180 degrees around the other side. So we now have excellent detent, just like new. Yep, I'd say that's a result. So while I have the chassis out of the cabinet, there's a few other little things I can be doing. You'll see that the black paint has been chipped off the dial. Fortunately, they're not in critical places like station names. There's a few little scrapes up here. So I can just fill those in with some black paint from the other side, and hopefully it will look good as new. And there we go. Pretty much good as new. I just used some pigment color tone stuff, which is water based, which is handy, and it covers up really well. So, job done.